Hey guys, we are back with some more Samsung Galaxy S10 news. Samsung is cooking some exciting stuff that will surely change the way we use a lot of things right now. First up is an extremely interesting thing that we haven't seen on any phone out there. It's juicy as hell. With Galaxy S8, Samsung introduced the DeX, which helps transform your phone into a desktop. With Galaxy Note 9, you no longer need a Samsung DeX with just an HDMI officially on October the 11th. Super excited for that. It is expected that Samsung will introduce new letters with the new phone, so a P series could happen. We just have to wait for all the awesome stuff that is coming. And lastly, Samsung, in collaboration with AT&T, it will be testing its 5G innovation in Texas. The 5G game is on, and there's a good chance we can see a few improvements, and then it will be ready most probably in time with the Samsung Galaxy S10. I've personally been a DeX user myself, so wireless DeX will definitely going to be a game changer, especially with phones getting more powerful every year. We're definitely going to see more apps taking advantage of all that power. So speaking of power, next up is the power which is revealed. We have the benchmark of Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, Samsung's future plan. According to his tweet, in 2019, Samsung will introduce a total of 14 new smartphones for China. More information about these devices will follow in the next couple of weeks/months. Damn, I am excited about these phones. I mean, more phones, more fun. Samsung is coming hard and strong next year because of increased competition from Xiaomi and other brands. We're already going to see the 4X Fun. The 4-camera Samsung Galaxy A9s is soon going to be announced to be the most powerful in the numbers, you know. Now, for all the US boys and girls, Samsung has to keep things on the same level. So even if Exynos 9820 is super powerful, Samsung will probably keep things at the same level as the Qualcomm 855. So it's kind of similar to what happened recently in my last video. The Exynos Galaxy S8 is capable of recording a 4K video at 60 frames per second, whereas we can't do that on Snapdragon 835. That's why Samsung didn't give this option to the Exynos Galaxy S8 users at that time. So I think this time it will be the same again. Exynos 9820 will probably be at the same level as the 855. We can expect some better scores with the 9820, but overall they're gonna be very similar. Also, we have the camera specification leaked. For the first time, we have the actual specification leaked. I have seen something like this a couple of months ago, but I was not allowed to show you guys. But yeah, it is pretty much like that. That further confirms that Galaxy S10 Plus is indeed getting 3 cameras on the back. So total of 5 actually able. You can transform your Note 9 into a desktop. And now with Galaxy S10, things are about to go wireless. Yes, with Galaxy S10, you might be able to go DeX mode wirelessly, according to a Samsung community moderator who recently had a talk with a Samsung developer on this topic, and he found out that they're actually working on a wireless connection for the DeX. It needs some there, it means more possibility, but it's actually more about what these cameras can do with software optimization. I mean, look at the Google Pixel 2, which still takes some breathtaking photos, so I expect Samsung to bring some real software tricks as well. And there are also going to be some serious improvement with the front camera, as 2 are better than 1. The Android 9.0 Pie continues to spill more beans. First, it confirmed the Galaxy S10 models, which are total 4 in number, and now it confirms the existence of the foldable Galaxy S. The winner LDE model is found in the code, and guess what? The winner is actually the code name for the Samsung foldable phone. Another interesting info is revealed regarding the next-gen unreleased Qualcomm chipset, the Snapdragon 8150 chipset. So that's the name mentioned in the code, and it could be a reference to the Qualcomm 855, which we'll see inside the Samsung Galaxy S10 US/China model. Also, Samsung Mobile.news has provided some crucial information inside of the US Galaxy S10. So against the Apple A12 and Kirin 980, so far the A12 is leading the game of benchmarks. Qualcomm 855 is on par with Kirin 980. The only score left is for the Exynos 9820 processor, the homegrown beast chipset is going to be inside of the international Galaxy S10 family. family. So we have yet to see the scores for that. Ice Universe seems to be really optimistic for that results, so it could actually be. We have 2 on the front as well. So the main camera on the back will be similar to the Galaxy S9, so 12 megapixel with variable aperture. We have the optical zoom lens at 13 megapixel and also a 16 megapixel super wide lens that has no OIS or autofocus. This system is very similar to LG V40, which was just announced, but the S10 will definitely going to have a better quality sensor and could actually top the DxOMark score. I mean, the Note 9 is already in top 5, so with more camera sensors, 5G S10 Plus released in US. Anyway guys, that's all we have on the Samsung Galaxy S10. I'm super excited because we are so close on hitting the big 1 million. I'm so excited for that. I'm probably gonna do a setup tour or something like that when we reach that milestone. So yeah, excited for that. And let me know your thoughts about the Galaxy S10. Again, triple cameras, Qualcomm 855 results. I want to hear what you think, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.